Hey guys, my name is Ahmed Salam. I'm a DMT student. I'm gonna introduce to you the Smart Garden. First, I apologize for being alone in introducing this project, as I had to work alone late at night for my part, and my colleagues weren't with me. I'm gonna walk you through this project first by introduction. We have an Arduino connected to the laptop using Ethernet cable, as you may see, and Ethernet shield. The Arduino is also connected to the breadboard that is connected to 4 sensors with 5 readings, and the Arduino is connected to this pump. It's a 35 gallon per hour pump through the H bridge. The project is supposedly to be a smart irrigation system, plus it should have an automated umbrella that is simulated here with the sled, as it was a mechanic project, more of a MAT. So first I'm gonna show you what Karim and Ahmed, my colleagues, did. They had the Arduino side. The Arduino is connected to the breadboard that have these sensors. We had to find 5 readings: humidity, temperature, light, sunlight detection, and rain detection, and moisture detection from the soil. So we bought 4 sensors: the DHT11 sensor, which have reading of temperature and humidity, the light detector sensor, the water detector sensor for rain, and finally here's the soil sensor. So basically what should happen, that if the soil is moistured enough, the pump shouldn't work, and if the soil is dry, the pump should work. So here we can see, gonna connect it. This is a simulation of what should happen exactly. The pump should be connected to some water source, and here it is working because the moisture sensor give dry. So I'm gonna simulate here if this soil is moist enough. Here you can see it stopped, and once I removed it, it worked again. Okay, that's for the soil moisture part. About the umbrella, get the order to open or close according to the reading of 3 sensors. First, the light and temperature sensor, because if the sunlight is very damaging to some plants, I must open the umbrella. So if the light reading is high and the temperature sensor reading is high, it shall open the umbrella. Also, it shall open the umbrella if it detected water. For simplicity, I'm gonna test the water one. Here is the water sensor, and here is the letter representing the automated umbrella. So I'm gonna drop a couple of drops from this water on the water sensor, and you can see the effect. Here you can see once the water dropped, the umbrella shall open. I'm gonna make it dry a bit, and it shall close. Here you are. Okay, this is for Karim and Ahmed contribution in the project. About my contribution in the project, I had to make a web server. The web server makes this simple web app. As you can see, your data is loading. I'm reading all the sensors values. The moisture sensor returns now 10 as it's dry. Temperature is currently 18. Humidity is 37. Light from my LED light is 400. Water returns this big value when it's dry, and when it's not dry, it returns a very low value. And about the on and off switch, here's what's cool about our project. If the user wanted to not depend on the Arduino logic and want to open the circuit, he can open the pump and the umbrella from this switch. I'm gonna show you how it's happened. Okay, so if I put the moisture, the pump shall stop, as you can see. Okay, but here I'm gonna force it to work, so you can see the pump worked, though the moisture sensor is still moist, and also the umbrella worked. This was done with a simple web app server using the Ethernet shield and the Ethernet cable. The Arduino, I just need the Arduino for connection. It's connected to the pump and connected to the sensor. It retains my data throughout the Ethernet shield and the Ethernet cable to the laptop. The laptop reads all the sensor's data, and throughout the on and off switch, it closes and opens the circuit as long as the user wants this. And that's it. I hope you like it.